Hi everyone, hope you're all doing well. As you know, my name is Cecilia and I'm the CEO and founder of JAS, alcohol-free cocktails for everyone. And I'm about to do a little product demo. This is our first expression that launched in September of 2022 officially with our commercial batch. So this is the finished product. This is JAS Paloma Libre. It is an alcohol-free cocktail that is inspired in what we like to call a Oaxacan paloma, which a paloma is a traditional Mexican cocktail typically made with agave or tequila-based spirits. And in this case, we took a little bit of inspiration on Oaxacan mezcal, which is what I used to do. So I used to work many years in the liquor industry as a mezcal producer. And so when we decided to create this recipe, I wanted it to make sense. I wanted to make something that spoke to me and my roots and who I am, but something that also a lot of people could just simply enjoy. So a paloma was an easy choice because the paloma is very refreshing. It's typically made, like I said, with tequila or mezcal, grapefruit juice, lime, a little bit of seltzer. So it's kind of like one of those like all around crowd pleasers. And it was just it was a really fun experience when we decided to create this recipe because I kind of took that sensory memory that I had from my days in production of mezcal and with the help of my partner who also has experience as being a mixologist back in when she started working in the liquor industry, we simply sat down and decided to take all these different ingredients that we found, like cinnamon, cardamom, black cardamom, green cardamom, anise, pepper. So we created multiple infusions and we sat down and started blending them to kind of take that sensory experience of what a mezcal is supposed to taste like. And in the end, we created an amazing just kind of like blend of extracts, which we then layered with the grapefruit juice, the lime juice, and the seltzer. So I'm gonna take a moment to open that, and you can drink it straight out of the can. If it's chilled, I like it straight out of the can. That way you don't dilute the flavor. Oh yeah, that is really good. From the moment you open the can, you get that kind of burst of aromas from the cardamom, the cinnamon that all blend really well together. And then you take that first sip and those spices kind of just permeate into the palate. But then on the back end, you get that bitterness from the grapefruit, which kind of leaves you with that sense that you're drinking alcohol, but you're not really drinking it. So it's great for people who are not drinking for any reason at all. And you still get that burst of, like you're still drinking something special, something that was made for you. And why don't we try it with a tahini rimmed glass? I took a little lime and then just put a little tahini on it. And you can also just drink it like this if you want to pour it. And perhaps I should have put some ice in that. But yeah, salud. That's my favorite. So yeah, thank you and have a great day.